Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to create your very own stickers directly within WhatsApp. It's quick, easy, and doesn't require any additional apps. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in, navigate to any chat. This can be with a friend, family member, or even a group. Next, look at the message box where you usually type your messages. You'll see a sticker icon right there. Tap on it to open the stickers menu. Now here's where the magic begins. Tap on the Create option. Once you've selected Create, WhatsApp will prompt you to choose a photo from your device. This could be anything. A funny meme, a cute pet picture, or even a selfie. Select the image you want to turn into a sticker. After selecting your photo, WhatsApp will take you to the editing screen. Here you can get creative. Crop the image if needed. Add text for extra flair, or even doodle directly on it. Take your time to make it just how you like. When you're happy with your creation, tap Send. Your custom sticker will now appear in the chat for everyone to see and enjoy. Plus, it's automatically saved in your sticker gallery for future use. And that's it. You've successfully created a personalized sticker on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. Now you can add a unique touch to all your conversations and share fun moments with friends and family. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy creating and sharing your custom stickers.